8km 道なりです。
That's a big fish.
Wow, did you see that?
That's not a fish. Let's go boat fishing, guys, here at Fort Dixon. We always go to the Klang, but now this is our first time boat fishing. So that's our boat, guys. Ano ng baby ko? Fort Dixon. Oh no! You roll up your Eugene. Sugar. Yeah. Okay.
Anything on the boat?
Hey, where you going? We go boat fishing then. That's the submarine. Eugene, stay here. Oh, go.
What is that? What is
Going
that?
now.
No, we go day boat fishing.
Okay, day boat fishing. Do you want day boat? Baby, hi. Let's go fishing. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Where's the fish?
It's a fish.
There is. Ooh. Ooh. The fish. Ooh. Yay! Wow, that's a big one. Congratulations.
Toshiba. Toshiba. You know Toshiba? Yeah. I learned it.
Okay.
Check out the fish.
Ooh. Ooh. That's a big one.
Stone shaka.
What is this fish?
I don't know. That's so big.
What's that? What's that?
Eugene, sit down, sit down.
Huh? What's that?
Escape.
Did you see that?
It's okay.
Oh my god. It's like a crocodile.
Crocodile. Oh. So, the next day, guys, nandito pa rin kami sa Port Dickson. So, after nang nangyari sa amin kahapon, grabe nakakatakot. Sobrang lakas ng wave. Tapos, akala namin yun na yung end namin. Buti thanks God, hindi kami pinabayaan. So, ngayon, nandito ulit kami. Nandito pa rin kami sa Port Dickson. So, hindi na kami umuwi sa bahay dahil nga sa shock doon sa nangyari sa boat. Grabe, may aftershock pa rin kami, guys. So, ayan, nag-hotel kami. Tapos, next day na kami nito umuwi. So, ayan, super tired ako dito. May hangover pa ako sa boat. So, guys, ito pa ulit kay Almeto.
There's another.
Yun talagang experience namin sa boat na ayoko na mag-boat fishing. Kasi habi na lang bahala siya mag-isa. So, guys, this is our trip, boat fishing at Port Dickson. First time namin yun. So, yan. Pauwi na kami ng KO. So, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below, guys. So, ito ang nahuli ni Hapon. So, dalawang isda lang tong malaki kasi nga sobrang sama na ng panahon, tapos sama pa ng pakiramdam ko. So, ayan, napilitan kaming umuwi, guys. So, nakarating pala kami sa may boundary ng Malaysia at Indonesia. So, kahit sobrang lakas ng hangin na para nang tataob yung boat, hindi kami pwedeng pumunta dun sa may boundary kasi pwede kaming hulihin dun ng mga polis. Kasi nga, nasa Malaysia kami, tapos yung boundary dun is Indonesia. So, hindi kami pwede dun. So, ito lang ang nahuli naming boat fishing. Ayan, dalawang malaking isda. So, grateful naman kasi yun, nakauwi pa rin kami buhay. So, ayan guys. Ito lang aming video sa aming Port Dickson boat fishing. Bye! Thanks! See you sa aming next videos ng fishing.